Next, the sight problems. Sight problems means who are not able to see anything. There are some people in our surrounding who are not able to see properly. That means their sight is little bit less with respect to us. So, for that case, they should use the spectacles. That means the lens, the eyeglass. That one they are using, and by wearing these spectacles, their problem resolved. But there are some people who are not able to see at all. For them, there are different language. Which language? Braille language. With the help of Braille language, they are able to read, they are able to speak. Speak means definitely they are writing. Whatever they are not able to see anything, so definitely they are able to speak. So whatever they are reading, they are saying. First, whatever you have to say, you can say, because they are able to hear, but they are not able to read. When in their classroom, they are also reading in different school. On that time, what the things teacher, what the task teacher is giving, that things they are read. After going home, they are writing. They are reading. The book is also there. In our city, there are different library also there, and in their those libraries, different Braille books are available. If you will go any central library, definitely Braille books should be available. Now, I would like to talk you about some more personalities I want to introduce. So, they are in our Indian actress, very famous actress, Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran, she is a very famous Indian actress, and Stephen Hawking is also one great personality, having physically challenged. Actually, he had some problem of nerve, but he became a successful person. How it is possible? That one is nothing but the support of the surrounding people. Yes, you also is able to, your help makes a lots of cost for them. Your little help also. Help means it is sympathy, it is love, it is spending time, it is encouragement. So definitely don't forget this. And there are other people also who are more successful. If you will talk about Helen Keller, yes, she is an American author. She is an American author. Yes, she, when in her childhood, she was not able to see anything. She was not able to hear anything. Even if she was not able to speak anything. At the age of 9 years, she first speak. That one also not in proper way, just a sound. Yes, after from this situation, she becomes a very big person. Now she is a famous person in the world. Can you imagine? Yes. Now I want to tell you about one more person. The name is Nick Vujicic. Yes, this person, he doesn't has any hand or leg. No arms, with one person without arm, without leg. But now he is a motivational speaker in Australia. So these all are different personality having physically challenged. They should be cared by us, by you. We have learned about the different physically challenged persons, but there are so other people who are not able to do their work by themselves. Who are they? The old people surround us. Yes, the old people surround us means our grandparents, our grandfather, our grandmother. So we have to help them. They are very important for us because all of you know, all of you are having lots of fun. They are caring for you. They are loving a lot. So definitely you should must care for them. You should help them also. And they are sharing their different experiences. They are sharing their different guides. That means they can guide you and your parents also. So definitely always look into them. With the aging of because of the aging, what problem they are facing? Sometimes different type of age marks are coming on their face, on their body, and some of the people they are not able to work properly. Some of the people they are not able to see properly. They are not able to hear properly even. So these different problems they are facing because of the age. And one more thing you should remember, when you will become on that age, you also may face the same problem. So if you won't care for them now, so no one won't care for you also in your old age. So definitely you should be careful for them. Always try to spend more time with them. So with this time you can learn different kind of stories from them and you can share with your friends. Okay, what the things you are doing with them, you can share your experience with them also, and what the things, what the works you are doing in your school, in your surrounding, you can share with your parents also and as well as grandparents, because they will feel better, they will feel happy. And one more thing, you never should any kind of question. You should never should do any. You never should raise. You never should raise your voice even. No question on them. No question on them means yes. If you want to know anything, definitely you can. If you are curious about anything, so definitely you should do question. But if they are asking you any queries, why you did like this, so they never get rude on them. Mind that they are also a part of your family. So never do misbehavior along with them. And one more thing, you should look into them. Sometimes it happens that because of the aging, they are not able to digest their food nicely. So you and your parents should cook one soft food for them, so as they can digest it nicely, and that one is your duty also. And there are so many people in our world who are special. They are also belong to with same category. They are also special for you, and there are. Then how can they have the need? What the things you have to do? You should help them in not only in your house. Whenever you are traveling in bus, on that time you have seen there are two seats for the senior citizen. Yes, for the senior citizen there are two seats. You never should sit on that seat. Next thing, one more thing is there. You should respect them. If you are sitting, definitely your age is less and you are able to stand properly, you are able to work properly, they are not able. So after feeling these two, if you are sitting and one of the person, that means old person, senior citizen, he or she is standing, you should leave your seat. That one is the respect you should do. Otherwise, when in your old age you will stand, no one will leave your seat. Okay, so definitely you should be careful these things and should help them while climbing the stairs. You should give the glass of filled water. And one more thing is there, always when they are trying to say you anything on that time, you should be patient along with them and always give a gift on their birthday. And please don't make noise while they are getting rest on that time. If we will do the noise on that time, they will feel the bore, and one more thing, they will be disturbed, they will feel bad also that why they are not giving importance to us. So don't do these things. And one more thing also, you should remember that the old age day, that one is being celebrated on 1st October, and one thing that 15th October is being celebrated White Cane Day. White Cane Day on honor of blind people. So these 2 days, one thing is the 1st October and another one is the 15th October. 1st October Old People Day, 15th October, that one is the White Cane Day. These 2 days are being celebrated. One more thing is there, that one is very sad for them also, that so many people, old people, they are staying in old age home. That is very pathetic for them as well as us, because when you will become in this age, and if your child also will send you in old age homes, then how would you feel? Is it good? I think it is not good. So you also should not send your grandparent to the old age homes, because that affects a lot on their mind. They are going into depression mode. They are not feeling well also. So that's why always they are very special for you. So you also should look into them, and definitely you can use different method. You can play with them, you can enjoy with them, you can tell them story, you can listen different story from them. So in this way you should make your family a healthy family. There must should be love, there must should be good environment, and you and your family will be happy in this way. So this lesson over. So all of you prepare well.